one-owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and Vlad's with me. What are you doing, Vlad? He fell and smacked his lip there, you can see. I'm here to tell you about a couple things. Just a quick update, number one, and lights. I'm gonna show you what these lights do. I'm out here at 11:30 at night taking a video. And I'm gonna do some math for you on the lights too, because these are the cheapest lights around. Where are you gonna go? Oh, the tractor. The tractor. Oh no, you're gonna go to the tractor. Where are you going? Yeah. You like that, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna take the video with the lights behind me now. Look at that light. That's a 300-watt stadium light. Look in the description below. This is the only light right there that is just one of the old halogen type ones. But as you walk around this place, you'll see that you can see everything. I'm running about 540 watts. Let's just round it off at 500. I'm doing it 10 hours a day. And we're about 10 cents, 11 cents per kilowatt hour here. But look at the difference here. The security, I got cameras everywhere. I can see everything that happens in every corner of this place all the time. I love it. That's the only one I haven't changed. And that'll change things a lot and bring it down even more. But that one's halogen, and you could tell because these are nice and bright. And that's yellow. That's a stadium light, man. It's nighttime. It's 11:45, 11:30 at night, and you can see my cars. I figure the best advertising will be nighttime, because in the daytime, they just kind of blend in. So, lights. These lights are awesome. You should check into it. Basically, in all my lighting here, it's 500 watts an hour times 10 hours is 5,000 kilowatt hours. It's costing me like 55 cents a night, 50 to 55 cents a night, 15 bucks a month to be able to walk around out here like it's daylight. If you need lights, look down the link below. I make a little money off of it. Amazon pays me like, I don't know, it's like 2 to 5% or something on a, depends on what it is. Actually, a lot of the times I don't even get paid, but whatever, it makes 20 bucks a month or something. It buys me a burger. But the other part is an update in this video. And I haven't been able to make as many videos lately simply because I've been doing so much on stocks and so much on Bitcoin mining and so much on investing in crypto coin and such. But that's all changing right now. One of the reasons I didn't make any more videos as much was that, and the other one is I didn't have my Google Glass. So anytime I'm out working and doing things, I didn't have my Google Glass on. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Hopefully today that is all changed. Now they've changed something in the BIOS or something on this. And here we go. I took the, oh man, I can't put my hand around. Hang on. And there we go. Now, I don't know anything about the set. They were listed as new. There's the glass. Still got the tags. Don't mean much, but the BIOS or something inside of these has changed. And it has the original charger and everything. So, oh, he's got the receipt. Oh, that's cool. Awesome. So that's the deal. I've got new Google Glass, and with that, I'll be making more videos for sure. But you're also going to see more of these investing videos. Okay, so there they are. Ah, come on. These lights are awesome. You should check into it. Basically, in all my lighting here, it's 500 watts an hour times 10 hours is 5,000 kilowatt hours. It's costing me like 55 cents a night, 50 to 55 cents a night, 15 bucks a month to be able to walk around out here like it's daylight. I got one more going in there, and you can see over here, we got that light. I mean, it shows everything so bright. I want to look on the camera in the back of it. Look at that, man. You can see everything. It's awesome. And cost. Here's what I got into this stuff. 260 bucks or so. And I put links down below once again to where you can see just exactly what I bought. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. And look over here. Everywhere around this place is totally lit up like you wouldn't believe. Watching them on my cameras. I got links for the cameras in the Amazon store down there too. And I'll tell you what, the cameras are pretty cool. I can like zoom right in on the gate and tell you who's standing there. It records, it backs up. I could check it on my mobile phone. It's cheap, it's easy. And with between the cameras and the lights, I think I've got about 6 bills, maybe 7, into the whole setup for security and advertising. I mean, I'm showing my cars better at night. Google Glass videos coming up. Just a quick update and such. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Lots of investing videos coming up. Stocks, Bitcoin, and such. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. We'll talk to you.